What would you recommend to people trying to make those choices for their production environments?
That is a very difficult question.
I know, we could skip it.
I mean, let's see if we could break it down into two rules, right? So first of all, the first rule is just always pick Pulumi, because I work there, I'm biased, and I'm going to encourage people to always pick Pulumi.
Pick Pulumi. Okay, that's it. First, number one. Number two.
The second one is, pay attention to the industry. We get different types of customers, developers, teams, organizations. If you're risk averse, then you always have to track what the community is doing, right? And that's going to mean following the projects that are CNCF incubating or graduated projects, because you're going to have a support lifecycle with neutral ownership and vendoring, and there's a lot of resources out there. Now, it could be very easy for less risk averse teams that are very curious. I put myself in that camp. I see new technology. I'm like a magpie. I have to go and play with it, kick the tires on it, and see what it does and how it's different. And you may find that there are better technologies that are more esoteric, but they're going to be lacking in community support and documentation and tutorials. And you really need to drive those things forward. So it depends where you are on that risk aversion scale. I think it's a safe bet to go with CNCF projects. Use Prometheus, use Thanos, use Argo CD, use Crossplane, because they will be supported and they've got very active and healthy communities. Now, other projects will have healthy and active communities. We still have the Apache Foundation, and you may find that you want to go down that route. If you're a JVM shop, again, you're going to have ties closer to that. So I don't have any great advice, but just understand where you are on that scale and stick to the communities that fits your own stack, because you're going to understand how things work. A Java company switching to a CNCF stack might be difficult because it's all Go based, and things that we do in the Go ecosystem are very different, and they may want to stick with the Apache Foundation. Very tough question, but I love it.